Well, I don't know what 100 grams is.
I don't know what a gram is.
I don't know what a gram is. We don't use that. Good morning, everyone. We're having breakfast down in the buffet. Help. I've been taken museum hostage. The ransom. I don't want to go to another museum.
Okay, so here's sort of the general plan. We're going to get on a metro. We're going to go to the Pantheon, because neither one of us have ever been there. Then we're going to head over to the gardens, Luxembourg Gardens, walk around in the gardens. And then we're going to kind of go over and see Notre Dame after the fire, see what there is to see over there. And Gerald wants to get a cup.
Get a little souvenir mug at the Louvre, and then walk through the Tuileries and get a baguette dog this afternoon when I'm a little peckish.
Our museum pass is expired, so we can't just go in and out of museums, but
Thank God. 10:53 a.m.
what do you put in your pouch?
I put my sunglasses, my museum pass, a little thing of Advil, my eye drops, and some tissue.
Okay.
And I take the little one because it's less bulky and heavy.
Oh, this is one you bought online?
Yeah, this is the one I bought for our cruise that we did not go on because it was canceled. This was supposed to contain our little water bottle and our beach towel and stuff like that.
How do you wear it?
You just kind of sling it over your back.
Yeah, that's nice.
It's light. That is for when I know it's going to rain. I need an umbrella. I need galoshes. I need poncho.
It's a lot easier when it's not raining.
It's a lot easier. This is just for a day, an outing.
Okay.
That is to really travel with, so I have my important stuff with me. Please help me. I don't want to go to another museum. I tried to tell Darren the museum pass was expired, but he checked. And we have one more day on it.
Sorry, Charlie. Museum day! Hooray! Museum day! We are taking the bus today, number 63. We have never taken a bus in any city that we have ever visited. So this is really something. And we're only doing it because of Google and the ease of their mapping. It just says, take me from here to here. And you just, the bus was the fastest. Faster than the subway. So we're doing it. €2 per person per journey. And it's sort of experimental, you know. If we can't do this, because this is just a straight shot to the Pantheon, then we can't do anything.
Hello, America. May 6th to May 19th. Chicken fingers. Hello, America. Filet du poulet croustillant.
Sure does look delicious.
This is what we have exported to the world. Chicken fingers. Nope. We got rejected. Bus driver wouldn't let us on.
Okay.
Because I just had a €20 and he wagged his finger at me. I'm gonna go to the Debach subway stop. Look for a machine that gets us a little transit ticket. And then come back and take the bus.
Because we're gonna get on this bus.
Now it's a quest.
Hell or high water.
Don't you wag your finger at me, French bus driver. I feel like Julia Roberts in Pretty Woman. She had all the money and they wouldn't take it. And he wouldn't take my money.
Voila. And we will try to get on this bus again.
Better not wag his finger at me again.
He let us on.
We had to validate our tickets at the front of the bus.
Right.
So that starts the clock, I guess.
Do we have to revalidate when we go off? Yeah. Or we just walk off?
You just walk off. It's good for 90 minutes, and that's when you get on. Perfect.
There's the Pantheon. We've made it to the Pantheon. We are inside. It's freezing cold. It's kind of cold in the Pantheon. Yeah. There it is. We don't really know the history yet. We're just about to read it. And when we've read it, I'll add some text underlying this video so that you can learn a little more about the Pantheon if you'd like to. Just so you have an idea of how high that cable is, it goes all the way to the top.
We're in the crypts. They ask you to keep your voice down out of respect.
Yeah, they are. Oh, these are the Uber ones.
These are the Uber ones. They're really nice. We are here at the Jardin De Luxembourg. We entered through the Porta Medici's. We've had our little rest on a park bench in the Luxembourg Gardens, and now we are going to start walking toward the Cluny and the Sorbonne, and then we'll probably go to see what Notre Dame looks like after the fire. We are at the Sorbonne. Behind me is the Sorbonne,
Which is?
University of Paris. Established in something. Very long time ago. Last time I was here, I was looking for the university gift shop, which they do not have.
Yeah.
So I walked all around this building looking to buy a Sorbonne t-shirt. Not to be. You just get them in the tourist shops all over Paris. Darren's in the Cluny, and I'm in the Starbucks across the street. Having my delicious frappuccino.
So Gerald has a trick. And here's his trick. He says he's going to go to a place. And I think, oh, he's just going to wander into this place and have a nice drink. But it's never that way. There's always a real motive. And in this case, the real motive was that cup right there, which is probably sitting by you, or yeah,
In my pouch. looking at Notre Dame. We are standing in front of the Hotel de Ville, which is actually the city hall
Of Paris.
of Paris.
A bird has just flown over my head.
Mais oui. I need a beret. I said Pierre. My French name is Pierre.
Come Red Festival. The thing you can't really see is the smell, and it smells so good in here. It's just bread, bread, bread. A bread fair. There's not a lot of bread out.
We stopped in at Du Palais for a couple of French 75s. Champagne-based cocktail. That looks wonderful. Cheers. Oh, that's wonderful. It's champagne, gin, and lemon juice, and sugar. Simple syrup.
Perfect. Okay. So I think that in French, when they say "ouais," I heard them say it, and I think that's like, it's like, yeah.
I think it's a...
Yeah.
I think it's a... They're saying we, but they're saying it with a slang, like way.
I always hear it when people are like on the phone and they're talking to their friends. It seems like,
I think it means
ouais,
yeah.
ouais, ouais.
Yeah instead of yes. Tell us if we're wrong. We
Let
could
us-
be very wrong.
It probably means
Probably are very
means
wrong.
you are a pig. Along the Seine, poplars
It's not cold anymore.
are making a beautiful sound in the wind.
Yes.
It's not cold.
It's dappling the sunlight.
We are on the right bank. And you can know the left and the right because if you look, the Seine flows that way, right, left.
All the way to the sea.
So we did a little Googling, and
The Seine does flow to...
it flows all the way to the sea.
Flows to Le Havre.
So when the Vikings came, they came up against the current and attacked Paris, the island, which is just past these trees.
Hey everyone. We're at the bar at the West End. And I have joined Darren for a drink
Trying to be photographic.
after eating Zay's favorite street food in Paris. It's not a crepe, it's a baguette dog. Hot dog and a baguette
You're very weird.
with spicy mustard. That horseradish Dijon mustard, which is sinus clearing.
But you got too much.
Oh, but it's exquisite. The pain is so exquisite.
Cheers.
We're going to a candy store. Why do you have to document this?
We're after-
Gerald's had his baguette dog. Now he must have candy. Candy
Right.
store is La Cure Gourmand.
Okay.
It's on the Rue de Rivoli. We were in there with only one other person, an American. This other guy was checking out, getting some cookies, and his bill was $30, 30 euro. And so he was having sticker shock. And now the shopkeeper and the guy are talking back and forth, and he's like, yeah, it's so much per 100 grams. And he goes, well, I don't know what 100 grams is.
I don't know what a gram is.
I don't know what a gram is. We don't use that. And so, they're going back and forth, and it's a good-natured, exchange.
Right.
But he is like reluctant to part with his money. And then he paid for his money, and he was was near us, and we just kind of turned around and joined the conversation.
It's like-
Then I grabbed it from his hand. It was very heavy. It wasn't like just a few cookies, so he didn't get ripped off. He just didn't realize how many cookies
So I pull
he
out
was
my
putting in
phone
there.
to see, because I'm curious myself, and 100 grams is about 0.22 pounds. And I shared that with the shopkeeper who went and wrote it down, because he's like, I don't know what a pound is. I have no idea. And yeah, so
It was pretty funny.
yeah.
So the guy was walking around, he goes, "This is like $1 a cookie." And then ours wasn't too much worse. And then we don't have as clearly as heavy as package as he did, but ours was 22 euros.
And we
so-
knew what we were getting. He just didn't know. I heard him earlier saying stuffing a box full of candy, or cookies, I guess.
cookies.
And he was like, well, I can get one more in there. I can get one.
I think he thought the box was a certain price.
Here's the thing, guys. If you do this and you have sticker shock like that, you can walk away.
Just walk away.
You don't need to pay for that. Yeah. Bless his heart.
I bet he's enjoying his cookies now. though.
They're the best cookies he's ever had.
We're at La Frégate. Gerald is having a margarita pizza. And I'm having beef bourguignon, which is a little stew.
Show us the beef.
I'll get the potatoes
Where's the beef?
first. It's in there. Let me get some for you. Hang on. Look at that. Is that not the most delicious thing you have ever seen in your life?
Wow.
Beef bourguignon.
Looks like beef short ribs. Braised beef short ribs.
Yum.
Just wine all day.
Cooked in wine all day, and it includes a little basket of a baguette. So,
Bon appetit.
bon appetit.
It's 9:45 and just now getting dark. What's the date? May 13th. So, yeah, it stays light in Paris, which is wonderful. A very long time. It's tons of antique stores.
Would you like that for a bird bath?
A nice bird bath, if you're looking for one. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. They are dancing, it looks like. This one is doing the Mercer right here.
Where?
Right here. Third one from the right. We are home. I didn't realize how colorful we were today.
So I just wanted to show you. We got an email today, and someone said, "Can you pick me up a keychain that has Paris on it?" So
There it is. This is for our waitress.
that sounds weird.
Well, she is.
We go there every.
Eddie's. We go
Every
there
week.
for every Thursday for lunch with our friend Ann. And okay, I don't think it can focus quite that close there.
Anyway, it
And
spells out Paris in little
She
blocks.
collects Paris keychains.
No, keychains from wherever around the world, not just Paris.
It needed to say Paris, and so
And it's got a little heart and a little Eiffel Tower. And I got myself something. It is the skyline of Paris.
A coffee mug.
Tomorrow is a hour and a half train ride
to Chartres.
to Chartres.
Chartres,
Chartres Cathedral.
the cathedral.
The cathedral at Chartres.
Yeah. It was a fun day. I'm glad you got to join
Super
us.
fun. It's our last full
Super
day
fun
in
day.
Paris. Tomorrow you will see Chartres Cathedral.
Big cathedral. Yep. All right. See you then.
Bye. Good
Bye.
night.
Ciao. Au revoir.
Au revoir.